Hello viewers, welcome back to Versatile Frame Captures. Today we are going to do a summer special, that is a custard. Yeah, you can see that there are different kinds of ingredients I'm going to use because there are different types of custard I'm going to use. So let's get started guys. I'm going to take a bowl and going to put over 500 ml of milk. So let it get boiled in a slim flame. Meanwhile, I have taken a small cup of milk and kept aside, in which I'm gonna add a vanilla powder. That's a custard powder. I'm gonna mix it gently so that the lumps won't form and the milk will turn yellowish color. Here you can see. You can able to use a bit more of the powder also, but I'm going to use only 1 spoon. Now you can see that the milk is slightly boiled. I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. That would be approximately 250 grams of sugar, and still I'm gonna heat the milk in a medium flame itself. So once it's hot, now I'm going to add the custard powder mix which we have kept it aside. So after adding it, now I'm gonna stir it for about 5 to 10 minutes so that it will form a consistency instead of forming a lumps. Here you can see, just keep on rotating it once in a while for 2 to 5 minutes. After 2 to 5 minutes, let it boil by itself for 5 to 7 minutes. Here you can see that now it is getting thickened up. As we have used the custard powder, the milk will get thick and the bubbles are forming and it looks great guys now. So since it's ready, I'm gonna turn off the flame now, and I'm gonna keep it until it cools down and gonna keep it in the fridge for approximately 2 to 3 hours. That's the minimum duration which I'm gonna keep it now. So after that, I'm gonna take out and we are going to check it. Now you can see that it's nice and cool. So let's start with the types of custard which I've explained in start of the video. So let me go ahead and take it a bowl, and in which I'm just gonna pour a normal custard which we have already prepared and kept. This is the first variant, a simple custard to drink like a milkshake or else directly eat. So the second variant, for which I have already kept 3 types of fruits, that is apple, grapes and orange, which I have chopped it and kept it aside. So I'm gonna add now. So along with this, I'm gonna add the custard milk which we have already formed. So this is a fruit custard. The second method is of, you can use different kinds of fruits. So in which I have used this one so that it tastes good. The taste is awesome guys, because I've taken up grapes and orange. The tangy effect will be there. So let me go ahead and show you the third one. This is the simplest variant in which you can able to use it 2 different methods, for which I have taken a dry fruits, raisins, almonds, and you can even take walnuts or additional dry fruits as you like, or else you can even do it with the ice cream. So this is a dry fruit custard. This is the third variant guys. Now comes the fourth and final variant, which is also can be called as a pudding or else as a lasagna. So in this I'm going to take a box because it's going to be stuffed with various kinds of things. First layer I'm going to add a bread, in which side layers I have already chopped it, and only the center part I'm going to include in that. So it has to be completely filled, for which I have sliced the breads accordingly. This is the first layer. So second layer I'm going to add a custard into that. So since it's going to be a different layers, so each of the layer I'm going to add a custard or else a different variant. And for this, to make it bit more crunchier, I'm going to add biscuits also. So first let me go ahead and add the fruits. So now I'm going to add the apples, which is sliced, and you can see that it's completely filled. Now I'm going to take a Parle-G. This is first biscuit which I'm using it. So this also completely I'm going to fill it up on this layer, and you can see that the size is perfectly fine guys. So once it's done, only at the corners I'm going to add the orange, because orange actually it gives bit of a soreness and bit of taste. So for that purpose I'm going to add little bit. So as a topping I'm adding grapes, chopped grapes, green one. So after adding it, now I'm going to add a second layer of custard milk. So this gives you a juicy taste after it gets completed. After the final outcome will be so much nice guys. So you can see that now I have added the complete layer into that. So now I'm going to take a second biscuit, which I have chopped in off because to fill into the box. That is a marigold biscuit. Now after adding it, complete fruits like apple, grapes, oranges, everything completely chopped fruits. I am adding it into a next layer. So once the layer is completely filled with full of fruits, then the final layer I am gonna add is of custard milkshake. You might be wondering why I have not added bread in another layer. As a base purpose, I have added a bread. So now you can see on top of it, I'm gonna add a few more dry fruits, and you can use any kind of dry fruits as I explained further. So this is the complete full packed custard pudding, or else it can be called as a lasagna as well. So now I'm gonna keep this in a fridge for minimum 1 to 2 hours of time so that it gets cooled down, and then we can see. Now I'm opening the box, guys, and it's completely cooled, and it's ready to serve. So let me go ahead and have a bite from the corner. So let me check it out. Yeah, you can see that the biscuits, fruits, custard, everything is coming, and it's really good, guys. Do try out at your home and mention in the comment section which one you liked the most. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to Versatile Frame Captures.